Hello and welcome to Eurocharge. Today we're talking about the upper engine harness on 113 naturally aspirated engines and 113K. They all share this problem. You quite often need to replace the coils, spark plugs, whatever the case might be, or to take off the valve covers, and you're faced with the situation where when you remove these plugs off of the coils, they break. And most often the locking pin right here breaks. Actually, this one is not too bad. This one is terrible. Or sometimes these are so brittle they fall completely apart. But nonetheless, the replacement for these is available and very cheap. The part number is 203-545-3028. Readily available from your local dealer, and they're extremely cheap. They're like $3 a piece. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take these off. The best way to do it, believe it or not, is to break the plug. And the way you do this is you have three prongs right here. 1, 2, and 3. You need to break these. And typically, if the locking pin for it broke, then the entire plug will be brittle enough that makes the task really easy. So it doesn't take much to break it off. Here's 1, here's 2, and here is the third one. Dentist tools help tremendously, so feel free to get them. Once you've done that, you're freeing the 3 contact points, and then continue to break the rest of the plug. There is a way to actually get a specialized tool to insert in here, here, and here, to unlock the contact points. But for DIYer, you're probably better off getting a precision tool like this and break the plastic. Be really careful when you do it. Here's 1, here's 2, and here is 3. Once it's completely open, what you could do is continue to break it off. And plastic flies everywhere. Don't worry about it. And here we go. Boom. You pull out. All 3 contacts are in your hand. Now, I'm not going to pull them just yet until I get the new plug in my hand, get it oriented. This is the back, this is the front. We're going to pull this out, insert this in, and you go in, go slowly. Here's 1, there's 2, and here's 3. Make sure the 3 contact points are inserted all the way in, and then plug in into the coil. And that's it. Job done. Good luck. Thank you.